So Divine, thank you for having me at the South Portal site today. Why construction? How did you find your current role?
During COVID, I went back to college to do a one-year course, construction, built and environment, and then afterwards I did a work experience with my college and they invited HS2, and then HS2 introduced me to the whole tunnelling industry and the job and this apprenticeship, and I was quite interested because it's quite new to me. What attracted you to work on the HS2?
The size and the complexity of the project. We're not going to see anything like this again in the UK, and it really was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to work on Europe's largest infrastructure project. Tell me what the best thing about your job is.
The best thing about the job is learning about tunnelling, how it's built, the history of it, the people, how everyone comes together, the teamwork, how safety is really important, everyone gets along, is really good here, and yeah, I enjoy it here.
Do you feel like HS2 is helping to break the stereotypes in the construction industry?
By giving me an opportunity, I feel like other girls that look like me, they'll think if she can do it, I can also do it too. If she likes it, if she's safe in this industry, then I could also do it as well. So I feel like they're really good at trying to break that stereotype. So what's next for you, Sam?
Continuing to progress as a project management professional, getting a much deeper understanding of the technical challenges that we have on the project, but also, working towards my ultimate ambition of making the construction industry a fairer and more diverse place to work, and inspiring a new generation of project managers and engineers. Final one for you, Divine. If somebody would like to get into your line of work, what piece of advice would you give to them?
Don't be afraid to ask questions, don't be afraid to point out anything if you feel like maybe something is not right, because health and safety is quite important on this job as well. Be prepared to get dirty, learn about the job and just work hard, be a team player.
Thank you for having me on site, Divine. It's great to see the work that's going on here.
You need to show me your office as well. I'll pop in sometime.
Absolutely.